Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove hyperlinks from PDF file. So there is a two method you can use as per your requirement. So let's start the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, so first method is come to your browser and log in with your Gmail account. So log in with your Gmail account and go to the Google Drive. Okay, just go to the Google Drive. And here you need to upload that PDF file which has hyperlink. Go to the new and go to the upload files, click on it. Okay, and what you can do, just upload that PDF file. I have select that PDF file and open it. Now it will be start uploading on Google Drive. Now just open it like this. Now here you can see I have PDF file with this hyperlink. So go to the open with Google Docs. Open the Google Docs and now just right click on it. Okay, just select that link text and okay, select that link text, right click on it and select clear formatting, and this link will be gone and this formatting also gone. Okay, now go to the file and download as a PDF again. Okay, so it will be download as a PDF again, and this would be your new file which is without link. Okay, this is the first method. And second method we can do, open your Microsoft Word, go to the file, and here you need to upload that or open that PDF file. Here just go to the open, browse and select that PDF file and open it. Okay, here Microsoft shows you some pop-up information, just click at OK. Now this is my documents and here are the links. You can select the text which has links and go to the remove right click on it and go to the remove hyperlinks. Hyperlink has been gone. Now select the another text which has normal format. Go to the format painter and select that hyperlinks font, so it would convert to the normal text format. Okay, now go to the file and save as a PDF. Select your file location. Here we need to go in PDF format. Here you can give the rename and save this file as a PDF. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.